Are the front seat covers for the Austin Healey BN1, BN2 and the early BN4 models, which was up to chassis number 68,959. Always check just to be double sure because they weren't exactly consistent. This has been done to original specifications, so leather faced. That means that basically the main panels here that touch your body when you sit in them are leather, and the backs are in vinyl. Just so happens on the cushion, which is this part here, every piece is actually leather, even on a leather faced seat. So you've got pleated panel, tuck and roll pleats, which are much higher quality than a lot of other manufacturers out there. You actually physically go down into the foam there. Hasn't been pleated all the way. This acts as a retainer when it goes in the car, and we've stripped out the piping here to make it nice and easy for you to get that finish. Then you get the leather horseshoe surrounds, and then you also get the cushion border. These are ever so subtly handed. This is the right hand, as you can see here. This part here goes on the inside of the gearbox. So there we are, that would sit like that. Piping on these, you get either same colour piping all the way through, or you get contrasting both inside and outside. This customer has gone for what we call cherry red leather and vinyl, along with off-white pimple piping. That means it's not exactly jet white, which we can also offer. It's got a bit of sort of grey tones to it. So you get a pair of those. Also on the cushions, you get the cushion surround borders. These are in vinyl. For a set of vinyl seats, these would always be vinyl. For a set of leather face, they'd be vinyl. And for a set of full leather, we'd actually do these in leather, and then we'd thin them down on our leather skive thinning machine. So you get a pair of these. They're oversized for you to trim the metalwork of the seat's cushion base frame, as it were. Then you get a pair of backrests. The backrests have elements of vinyl on them for leather faced. So leather pleated panels, tuck and roll pleats again. You get the leather horseshoe. These inside glove areas for the mechanism are leather as well, so basically when it's in the car and it curves around, anything that touches your body directly is leather, and therefore high wearing. The retainer there, which is outside when it's all trimmed, is vinyl. The backrest backs are vinyl. We extend the piping all the way around the back. It goes around like this. And then when it's all said and done in the car, you use a material called Hydem to hide that piping. Now, Hydem is only available in a select number of shades, so you have to be a bit wary of that. This one here, what effectively happens is you end up clamping and hiding the piping in there like that. This one here is the closest we can get to off-white. It's not a million miles off, it's not exact by any means. When it's all said and done in the car, you'll barely see it anyway, so it's not a huge deal, but just be mindful of that when ordering. So you get that as part of the kit as well. As ever, always look for the JS logo and the Union Jack, sign of quality.